Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 12 June 2018, 14 of hour, 31 of minute and 39 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, do I need antibiotics for coughing up green phlegm? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about do I need antibiotics for coughing up green phlegm. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about do I need antibiotics for coughing up green phlegm. Some signs of this are pain around your face and eyes that may get worse when you bend over. You might also cough up thick, yellow or green mucus. These symptoms may also occur with a cold. But if they last for more than a week or are severe, you may have a bacterial infection and need antibiotics. Last update Jan 10, 2017. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.